My name's Hiccup.
Talking about?
But mild calibration issue.
No, Hiccup.
Hiccup!
Those who stay will look after Hiccup.
Focus, Hiccup! Yeah, and while I'm busy, Hiccup...
Come. Hiccup is not that boy.
Oh, come on.
Hiccup!
Hiccup?
Who can blame him? I mean, the life of a celebrity is very rough. He can barely walk through the village without being swarmed by his new fans.
Hiccup?
They'll kill Toothless. No, Astrid, we have to think this through carefully.
Hiccup, we just...
Hiccup! 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 Think.
Hey, look! It's Hiccup! Astrid!
Hiccup, what's going on? Where... Hiccup?
Yeah, I'm over here, Astrid.
Oh! Hiccup?
It's Hiccup!
Hiccup.
I've decided.
To make you chief! Oh my gods! Hiccup! What you're searching for isn't out there, Hiccup. It's...
There is something out there.
Hiccup.
All right, easy, bud.
Hiccup!
Be changed, Hiccup. You need to worry about. A chief protects his own. Secure the stables! Like every stall!
Hiccup, don't...
Have to.
This way! Quickly! Hiccup!
Hiccup.
It's like he won't give up, Gobber. And if Hiccup fight...
Free.
This is what it is to be a dragon, Hiccup. All this time you took after me. And where was I? I'm so sorry, Hiccup.
Well, they know we're missing, and they have tracking dragons. If you so much as touch us, Hiccup is gonna kick...
Hiccup. He's not a Hiccup!
Don't!
Hiccup!